Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Brittany Young,
My name is Lorna Pearson.
and this is an educational video about stress. So, Lorna, what is stress?
Well, Brittany, stress is a psychosomatic phenomenon, which means that it has both psychological and physical components. Did you know stress can be negative or positive?
When you feel positive stress, you feel happy and anxious, like how you would feel if you were planning a vacation. When you're experiencing negative stress, it produces fear and anxiety, like how you feel when you have multiple school assignments coming up in the next few weeks.
Stress can be categorized as situational or environmental, as well as personal and individual.
Some examples of situational or environmental stress would be the level of competition you're playing at, your playing status, whether you're a starter or not, your family dynamics, as well as your time and season.
Some examples of personal or individual stress can be injury history, personality, pain tolerance, and athletic identity.
What is athletic identity, you ask?
Athletic identity is the degree of which an individual identifies to the athletic role. If you have a strong athletic identity, it means that your self-worth is tied close to being an athlete.
If you have a weak athletic identity, sports don't consume your life, and you have other priorities other than athletics.
How does stress affect your body?
It increases your heart rate,
It increases your blood pressure.
but it decreases your immune function.
You may feel irritable,
Anxious.
constantly worried,
You may eat less or more.
and you may sleep too much or too little.
In the end, you may feel a little overwhelmed. This could lead to a lack of focus. If you are not focused in games or practice, you are more susceptible to get injured in the game.
There are 4 factors that influence injury risk: physical,
Sociocultural,
environmental.
and physiological.
Some examples of physical risk factors are your age and your skeletal maturity.
Some examples for your sociocultural risk factors are your expectations from your coach and how consistent the officials are throughout the game.
Some environmental factors are an uneven playing surface and improper equipment fitting.
Some physiological factors are your mood state and muscle tension. There are multidimensional effects of stress.
They are cognitive, behavioral, emotional, and physiological.
In order to identify stress, you can use tools such as the Perceived Stress Scale.
The Perceived Stress Scale is a tool used to measure the athlete's perception of stress.
It asks a series of questions about your feelings throughout the last month.
There is a norm table provided on the first page of the stress scale that lets you compare your results by age, gender, or race.
Another tool that can be used to identify stress in athletes are a stress symptom checklist.
The athlete can be given this tool at any time, and he can check off symptoms that he may be feeling.
The more symptoms the athlete checks off, the higher at risk they are to get injured.
Good.
Now, how do you manage stress? There are many tools to help manage stress. If you are stressed at home, before going to bed, you can listen to a relaxation podcast. This will put your mind at ease and help you fall asleep. If you are on your way to an away game and you are feeling very anxious and nervous about playing, you can teach yourself how to positive self-talk. This will help you feel more confident in your playing abilities.
Progressive muscle relaxation is another technique you can use. This technique is used to release muscle tension that may be present in the athlete's body. Throughout the script, the individual is instructed to contract specific muscles, hold them for a few seconds, and then let them go. This stimulates a relaxation response along with the help of deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can also help you on or off the field. If you're feeling stressed or before a game, you can take long, slow, deep breaths in and then exhale. Doing this will slow your heart rate and it'll make you feel more relaxed. Thank you for watching our video.
We hope you are more educated about this topic called stress.